Hey, hi friends, namaste. Today is Monday and it's another episode on Healthy Mondays. And I just woke up and decided to make an episode on like what is my daily healthy food routine. So first, after waking up, brush my teeth, and then I have some water in this copper vessel. I keep the water overnight, and then I drink like almost half liter water, and then I go for yoga. I'll show you some of my yoga sessions where I do basic, not very tough, basic yoga postures and all. And after that, I'll have a glass of sattu or my mixed powder. Here, it's very simple to make. I make it really very simple. You can add something like onions and other stuff, salt and all. I make it very simple. I just open the lid and put it in a like 2-3 spoon and put it in water. Put some water in it or some put some water and slide half a cup of milk. But that's it. I just blend it once, like just that's it, done. Doing my breakfast right now. This is aloo ka paratha and not yet made. And this is raita. Very simple. Curd slightly. You put some rock salt, onion, pepper, and that jeera, roasted jeera powder, and some chilies. That's it. And this is aloo ka paratha without all oil. I'll put some ghee though. Ghee is good for health. I This things should be really ready. I will eat one paratha and like 3 to 4 idlis. And these idlis doesn't have. I do not use it rice to make it. I use idli rava. So rava is good for health. I use rava to make it, and chutney will be there. So it is delicious and the most healthy food that can be there in this planet Earth that you can take in the breakfast. You can take it outside also. It's made with steam, so no problem. And it's very easy to make also. If you want the recipe, let me know. I'll make a video separately on that. So here is my breakfast. As I told you, very simple. Idli, peanut chutney, one paratha, less oil, ghee is there, and some raita I have made, which has protein. Peanut has protein, and we have carbs, and we have fat as well, good fat that is from ghee. So this is a balanced diet, and nothing very special, nothing very fancy, just simple and Indian. Let's see. This is my third meal of the day. It is a oats and fruit milkshake. So it's like actually I got chiku today. Any fruit you can, whatever fruit you have, mango, chiku, banana, you can use that. I got chiku, so I'll be putting chiku today. Very simple. Put chiku or whichever fruit you have, then add then you need to add 2 scoop of oats, couple of dates, you know dates, right? Normal dates. Okay, done. Here it is. And like 1/4 glass of milk. That's it. Done. I actually drink directly from this, but to show you. Cheers to life. Here it is, a milkshake. Mmm, awesome. Now I am going to prepare my fourth meal of the day, my lunch, and simple. I want to make fried rice because I had leftover rice from the last night. So I decided to make fried rice out of it. Is keeping it very simple. Just put a spoon of ghee, clarified butter, and then add all the vegetables. Here is some capsicum, tomatoes, lemon, green leafy greens, and freshly prepared paneer. So I'll add these all, and then Mix it, that's it. It is, I'm doing a little the veggies for stir fry, not too much, just saute it and add some black pepper, little bit, then some rock salt. I prefer rock salt and it is very good. You need to use rock salt. This is my fried rice and dal, my meal ready. So let's see how it seems good. Let's test. You want cow, Yulio? You want me cow? It's yummy. You want cow? Come, come. Okay, come. Hmm? Oh, he wants to see short video and eat. Okay, पहले एक खाओ, उसके बाद ये वाला खाओ थोड़ा. No, without sharp video you not eat. And I am having the mobile, so I need to switch off now. I mean switch. Here I am ready to prepare my dinner. So you can see, I told you, I thought that I have told you before. I have my favorite is this mixed grain khichdi. We have dalia, wheat dalia mixed with ragi and millets, as well as moong dal, masoor dal, and some rice. Sometimes I'll use this brown rice, or else white rice is also fine. Then I have vegetables, potatoes. I use generally sweet potato, but I didn't get today, so I am using normal one. And tomatoes. This is leafy greens and capsicum. Other vegetables like cabbage and cauliflower is also okay. Whatever veggies you can mix with, and it makes a complete meal. So you can you have protein in the pulses, and you have vitamins and minerals in the veggies, right? So it's very simple, just you need to fry it in the pan, or cook it directly, fry it in the cooker, and 2 whistles are more than enough to make it get it ready. So once done, I'll show you again. Chalo, see you. So mixed millet and mixed grain khichdi with some chutney and curd, so it looks delicious. Let's have it and see you guys again. And yes, my last meal would be glass of milk with turmeric in the night before I sleep, so that it will boost my immunity and that will give me my body casein, so that it can work throughout the night while I am sleeping and I wake up fresh. So let's see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye, good night.